and I'm too excited to share this video to you. Why? Because this could change my life and your life too. Because this is all about changing our lifestyle. Yes, you heard it right. This video is about changing our life. So I am challenging myself, and I also want to challenge you to join me in this 12 weeks healthy lifestyle change challenge. First, all you have to do is to continue on watching, and after watching this video, all you have to do is to put your comment in the comment bar saying, I accept the challenge. Do you accept my challenge? If you are already thinking of accepting my challenge, there are 3 rules. First rule, commit. Second, document your progress. And third, no cheating. So, what is our challenge? Our first week challenge. You wanna guess? You wanna guess? Or our first week challenge is a low carb diet. Right? A low carb diet. This is our first rule in a low carb, high protein diet. First, you have to take breakfast like a king. So this includes egg, 5% cheese, and brown bread. That's it. All you have to take this in a regular basis, or you can interchange or anything that have protein, that is healthy carbo, and cheese. And second, you have to eat lunch like a queen. So this includes quinoa and a lean meat, or this can be a breast of the chicken, or a pork chop, or fish. So if you don't have quinoa, you can interchange or change it with brown rice. So 1 cup of brown rice. And during the dinner, you have to eat like a beggar. Just take green salad and small amount of meat. So that's it. That's all you have to commit for 1 week. So it is important for us to have nuts in between meals to nibble and eat. This mixed nuts includes almonds, cashew, Brazil's nut, macadamia nuts, every nuts that is not toasted or cooked in oil. It should be natural. It will give you power during the day, and it will keep you healthy. Okay, fake nuts. And then we'll go to documenting our progress. So first, all we have to do is to weigh in. We have to know our weight right now. So I'm doing it right now. Now time to take my weight. So do yours too if you are taking this challenge, and this is the first documentation and your first step towards a healthier life. Okay, so this is my present weight. Wait, I have to stabilize. So it's 74.4. And my target weight is 70. I haven't been to 70 for a long while. So this is my target. So have your own target of a normal weight. Okay. Third rule. No cheating, please. No cheating. So this is for, I'm doing this for me. Do it for yourself to prolong your life. And if you want to invest to your senior years, no cheating. Hope right now that I already convinced you to accept my challenge. And if you do, all you have to do is to comment saying I accept my challenge, and see you for the next video for an update. Alright, it's me, Kuya Chito, saying Shalom.